Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now I'll show you how to crimp the edge of our pie. If we've got a lot of dough hanging down, we're just going to trim it off with a knife. And just sort of hold your hand behind the dough and just press a knife against it to just take off a little of the excess. And you might need it in places that you don't have enough dough. And then just pull the dough up like this, pinching it to make like a little ridge all the way around the pie. Now if you have a spot where there isn't that much dough, you can take a little egg white for glue and just add a little bit of dough from your scraps and go all the way around the pie, making a little ridge. If you're a little shy on dough, like right here, just add a piece and pinch it in there. And let's see. If it looks like it's not sticking, you can put a little bit of egg wash or a little egg white or a little bit of water even is useful for glue. Not really glue, but just to make it stick. And make that ridge all the way around. Here we're missing a little bit of dough, but we'll just pinch a little on there. Okay, once you have a nice ridge all the way around, I'll show you a nice ridge all the way around, then we're going to pinch the edge. And you do it like this. You push in with your finger and you pinch with the two fingers, and that will give you a nice little triangle pattern all around the pie. And you can push down on it when you pinch and it comes up a little, then you just pat it down a little to get the right shape. You pinch two fingers and one finger. Two fingers and one finger all the way around the pie. Rotate the pie. This is a real nice homemade look. It's called crimping. Crimping that pie edge all the way around. And it also helps to pinch the lattice work down onto the edge of the pie crust. And you get a nice little ridge. All right, we're going to protect that ridge before baking by putting a little bit of tin foil all around so that it doesn't over brown. As you go, you can clean up the edge. If there's anything hanging down, you just pinch it right off. And we'll go all the way around the pie. If it comes up too high, just press it right down and pinch it and reshape it over again. There we go. Pull that in, push it down, and there you have a beautifully crimped pie.